If you're using LinkedIn to find a job but getting zero results, you're probably doing it wrong. Here is how to use LinkedIn for your job search. Step 1. Profile picture and cover image. First things first, your profile picture. This is your first impression, so make it count. Go for a clear, high-quality headshot. No selfies, no blurry photos, and definitely no vacation pics. A neutral background works best. And don't forget about your cover image. It's prime real estate. Use it to highlight your industry, your expertise, or even a personal tagline that represents your brand. Step 2. Your headline. Now, your headline. This is where most people go wrong. If you're just putting software engineer or marketing manager, you're missing a huge opportunity. Your headline should be compelling. Instead of just listing your job title, add some punch. Something like data-driven marketing strategist, helping brands scale with AI and automation, tells a story and makes you stand out. And don't forget to include keywords that recruiters actually search for. Step 3. Your About section. Your About section isn't the place to dump your entire career history. Think of it like your elevator pitch. Start strong. Those first 2 or 3 sentences should grab attention. Who are you? What do you bring to the table? Make it personal. This is your chance to show a bit of personality while keeping it professional. Step 4. Experience section. Now, your experience section. This isn't just a job history, it's your proof of impact. Use action words. Instead of responsible for managing projects, try led a cross-functional team to deliver projects 30% ahead of schedule. See the difference? Recruiters don't just want to know what you did, they want to see the results. Step 5. Skills and recommendations. Let's talk about skills. You might not realize this, but recruiters filter candidates by skills. If yours aren't updated, you might not even show up in searches. And while you're at it, get some recommendations. A strong testimonial from a colleague, manager, or client can add serious credibility. Pro tip: when asking for a recommendation, make it easy for them. Give a few points, or even a draft they can work from. What not to do. Now, let's go over some common mistakes. Using LinkedIn's default headline? That's a missed opportunity. Sending generic connection requests? Always add a personal note. Spamming people with job requests? That's not networking. Build relationships first. It's not about blasting your resume everywhere, it's about being strategic. Bonus: free LinkedIn and resume audit. And hey, if you're serious about landing your next job, we can help. Get expert feedback on your resume, optimize your LinkedIn for visibility, and make sure you're making the right impression on recruiters.